Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some super premium leather cases by Nomad for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, when I say premium, I mean premium. These cases are super nice, and they go for around $60 on Nomad's website. So if by the end of this video you do find yourself interested in any of these cases here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. But let's go ahead and check these out. Starting off with one of the boxes here, modern leather case by Nomad. Going to the back, it shows us what the case is going to look like 100 days from now. So basically showing us what the leather is going to age like. So as you can see, still going to be looking good. Maybe not brand new, but that's how leather ages over time. So still going to look good. Now it does have an integrated digital business card, which is actually really cool. Vegetable tanned leather from Chicago, air bumper for 10 foot of drop protection, integrated digital business card. So very, very cool. But look at both of these cases here. Both very premium looking, very premium feeling, really, really nice. And then looking at the inside, you get this nice kind of soft suede material on the inside. Feels really, really good. So it's definitely going to feel good against the device as well while the device is sitting in here, and it is MagSafe compatible. Now I don't have a MagSafe on me, but we will still check out wireless charging to make sure it is compatible with wireless charging. So this is what the case is going to look like. This brown one actually looks really good with the gold model of the 13 Pro Max right there. Let's take a close look at it. Look at that. Looking really, really, really good. Woo! Now we do have a black border all the way around the camera module, and it is giving us a deep enough cutout to where if we accidentally drop it flat on a flat surface like that, or just set it down on a flat table like that, it should protect those camera lenses in the back. So we shouldn't have to worry there. Going around the edges, we do have a black edge all the way around the case, as you can see there. Going to the power button here, we do have a nice texture right there, which does help to make it, you know, a little easier to find that power button. It is nice and responsive, as you can see there. Over to the other side, we do get a cutout for that toggle right there, making it pretty easy to access. You basically just stick your nail in there. You can turn it off or on. And then we have the volume rockers, which have more of a matte finish compared to the textured power button over here to the right. And they are nice and responsive, very easy to find as well. Then going down to the bottom, we do have precise cutouts for the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker. And then when it comes to the display, we do get a slight lift. It was not the biggest lift that you're gonna get for your display, but it is a good enough lift to where if you do happen to set your phone down on a flat surface like that and maybe be sliding it around, it should protect that display from getting any scratches or anything like that in case there is anything small on the table. Or if you do happen to drop it flat down on a flat surface like that, it should give it some decent protection. So that is what that's going to look like on the display. But overall, very premium looking, very premium feeling case, and it fits really nice on the device. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off if you happen to accidentally drop it. Let's go ahead and try out wireless charging. I got a wireless charger right here, and it is wireless charging compatible, as you can see there. So overall, super premium, nice looking case right here. Now I wouldn't really, say this is a case to take out on the, construction site with you, or if you're doing any heavy activities. For me personally, this would be something more of when I'm going out to a nice dinner, maybe going out on a date, or just somewhere nice. This is definitely a case I'm going to be putting on my device to show off and show how much more premium my phone can look. So again, premium leather case in brown by Nomad. Let's go and check out the black one. All right, so taking it over to the black one here, it's definitely going to have the same exact fit as the brown one. It's going to have the same exact features when it comes to the MagSafe charging, the wireless charging compatibility, and that integrated digital business card. But taking a closer look at the case right here, you can actually see the texture of it in the back compared to the brown one. The brown one seems a little bit more smoother, but with this one, you can actually see the texture in the back. Looking really, really nice. Feels really, really good too. So like I said, it's gonna fit the device the same. It's definitely not adding a whole bunch of bulk to your device. Still going to keep it nice and slim. Feels really good in the hand. It doesn't add a bunch of weight to your device either. So looking really, really good. Still gonna get that same protection for the cameras, the same lift in the front for the display, of course. Of course, we got the volume rockers on the side, still having that nice matte finish. Got the cutout for that toggle. Still getting that textured power button. And then of course the cutouts on the bottom. But overall, very, very nice premium looking case. No matter which one you pick up, you're definitely not going to go wrong. I think you're gonna be satisfied with either one of these cases that you get. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Like I said, I can't say it enough. Super premium leather cases for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you do find yourself interested in these cases, once again, I'll have a link down in the description below. But again, leave a huge thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.